Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the double tap gesture on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can tap your thumb and index finger together twice to perform several things on your watch. The double tap gesture can be used to answer a call, reply to a message, see your smart stack, among other things. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and select Gestures. Tap Double Tap. You can then tap the toggle to enable or disable double tap. When the toggle is green, double tap is enabled, and when it's grey, double tap is switched off. You do the double tap gesture by quickly tapping your index finger and thumb together twice on the hand that you are wearing your watch on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.